Hello, friends. My name is Maria. I am 20 years old. Today, I want to tell you about my family. My family is special to me. First, I will tell you about my mother. My mother's name is Anna. She is very kind and makes the best cookies. When I was a child, she always made cookies for me after school. We would eat them together and talk about my day. Next, I want to tell you about my father. My father's name is John. He is strong and brave. He works as a firefighter. He helps people every day, and I am very proud of him. When I was little, he would read me stories before bed. I loved those stories. Now I will tell you about my brother. My brother's name is Alex. He is 18 years old, funny, and smart. We play video games together. Sometimes he wins, sometimes I win, but we always have fun. I also have a sister. Her name is Lily, and she is 16 years old. She loves to dance, and every evening she practices in our living room. She is very good, and one day she wants to be a famous dancer. I believe she can do it. We also have a pet. It is a dog. Our dog's name is Max. Max is very playful and likes to run in the park. Every Sunday, we take Max to the park. We all go together. It is our family time. We play with Max and have a picnic. Now I want to share some special moments. One time we went to the beach. It was a sunny day. We played in the sand and swam in the sea. My mother made a big sand castle, and my father took pictures. Alex and I collected shells while Lily danced on the shore, and Max chased the waves. It was a perfect day. We all laughed a lot. But not all days are happy. Sometimes we are sad too. Last year, my grandfather passed away. He was very special to us, and we all loved him very much. He used to tell us stories about his childhood. When he died, we were very sad, but we remembered the happy times with him, and that helped us feel better. There was another sad time when my brother Alex broke his leg while playing soccer. He fell and hurt himself. He had to stay in bed for many weeks. We all took care of him. I read him books. Lily brought him his favorite snacks, and my parents made sure he was comfortable. It was a tough time, but it made us closer. Now let me tell you about some fun times. Every Christmas, we have a big celebration. We decorate our house with lights and ornaments. My mother bakes a special cake, and we exchange gifts. One Christmas, Alex gave me a beautiful bracelet, and I was so happy. I gave him a new video game, and he loved it. On birthdays, we have parties. Last year for my birthday, we went to an amusement park. We rode all the rides, and my favorite was the roller coaster. It was so exciting. We ate cotton candy and popcorn, and at the end of the day, we watched fireworks. It was the best birthday ever. Sometimes we have quiet times too. In the evenings, we like to sit together and watch movies. We make popcorn and snuggle under blankets. We laugh at funny scenes and get scared at scary parts. It is simple but special. I love my family very much. We are always there for each other. We share our happy times and our sad times. We laugh together and cry together. We are a team. Friends, thank you for listening to my story about my family. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, family is very important. They are always with you through good times and bad times. Family is always there. I will share more stories with you next time. Goodbye, friends. Take care and love your family.